How to fix account is already registered to another phone in GCash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix the account is already registered to another phone error in GCash. Well, to fix the account is already registered to another phone issue in GCash, you need to unregister your old device. To do so, you wanna simply open the GCash app and you wanna log in. Once you're logged in, you wanna navigate to your profile. Under profile, you wanna select settings and then account secure option. Once you have done so, you wanna tap on Unregister Phone option, review the details and tap yes, unregister. Once you have done so, you wanna complete the selfie scan or enter the OTP to finalize the unregistration. Now you can log into the GCash app on a new phone since it has been unregistered from your previous phone. So this is how you can easily fix account is already registered to another phone issue in GCash. All you gotta do is unregister the previous or old device. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issue as well.